welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you who are new, I am Trika of Trika Plans, and to my returning subscribers, hey cuties, welcome back family. As you all know, this is where the planning and the cuteness collide. On my channel, I will share my love for planning, all things cute, along with other aspects of my lifestyle, and also encouragement. I hope you find some type of inspiration here. And if you are not already a part of Trika Plans, hashtag Cuteness Squad, what are you guys waiting on? All you simply have to do, tap the red subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I do uploads and lives. Give your girl a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. You guys, I am back. I feel so blessed to be back. I was all in a frenzy before I left, and if you watch my Trika's Treats on Tuesdays live at 8:30, you know, I had some reservations about leaving, going, but I am back. I am well, I am safe, and you know, we are in this coronavirus, have everyone in limbo. I'm sure it's so scary and crazy, but you know, my faith is bigger and better than this virus that's going on. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm in my everyday carry. I'm back. School is closed until April the 2nd. I think I might have told you that in one of my other previous videos. But yeah, school is closed. I don't know, I'm getting a lot of work done, but as soon as I got off of my cruise, I came back and hit the gate running. And I'm gonna go ahead, since it's gonna be St. Patrick's Day and the first day of spring. Jeez, time is flying by. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my pages out. You know, this is the week on 4 pages by Lucky Little Planner. And this is my week, my vacation week. This spread was so pretty. So yeah, love it. So what I'm going to use this week, y'all know I love my kids. Oh my gosh. I'm doing a challenge, step outside your box. So next week I'm going to be using some different stuff besides kits, you guys, but I will be using this Mariposa springtime kit. Isn't this cute? I absolutely love it. This is a cute little, it's a mini little kit. It's called Springtime. So I'm gonna use this. I have a couple of I have a couple of other dolls by Mariposa Studio. I have some little green boxes and stuff, and I have this chick right here who is giving us spring vibes, Janet. So if you are interested in seeing how this cute spread is gonna turn out, then just keep on watching and let's get to planning. I found some cute washi in my stash that look like it blends well with this kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this as my bottom washi, because you know the mini kits don't come with bottom washi. So let's see. I don't know, I guess we'll see together what I come up with. So let's get back to planning. completed the spread. This is my spread for the week of the 16th through the 23rd. I gotta just find my date dots. Me and those date dots, we have a love-hate relationship. So I used the whole entire kit. I mean, I love these mini kits for this week on 4 pages. You can get a lot of bang for your buck. So this is, we have Janet from Mariposa Studios. The kit is from Mariposa Studios. Everything I used in this particular plan with me is from Mariposa Studio. And remember, if you want some of this cuteness, use Tricka20, Tricka 20 at www.mariposastudios.com. I will have a link in the description bar below. Make sure you take advantage of the description bar because it does have all of my PR codes, and you can save some coins. And you know, we're having an economic crisis, so we need to save all the money that we can. So if you decide to, you know, just purchase a little something for yourself so that you can have something to do while you're home, then hey, use code Tricka20. And here is the completed spread. I think it turned out cute. And since today is the first day of spring, why not? Might as well use a spring kit. And this kit was called Springtime. So thank you so much for watching. And remember to stay updated on my videos and my lives. All you simply have to do is join the family, you guys. Join Tricka Plans, hashtag Cuteness Squad, by tapping that red subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell while you're there so that you can know whenever I upload. Give your girl a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I'll see you in my next one. Toodles.